Do you want to know how you can log into your Namely Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Namely Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Namely Payroll Login. Now, you can click on the second link or the first link. If you click on the first link, it will take you directly to this login portal. But if you click on the second link, you can see there is option of login, and this is the official site of Namely. If you go ahead and click login, it will take you to the same site which is over here. So, if it doesn't take you, you can see that these are two different login portals, but it's the same login portal if you like to switch. So what you need to do is write down your company's domain name and click continue. If your domain name exists, the password option will pop up and then you can log into your account. So if it doesn't work, go and click on the first link, which will take you to this site. Now what you need to do is write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address associated with your Namely Payroll account, go to the password section and write down your password. Check your password once and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Namely Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, go ahead and click on this link and you can write down your email address in this box over here. Click send reset instructions. Email will be sent to you by Namely Payroll. Go ahead and check your mail and click on the reset link and you can reset your account and log into your Namely Payroll account once again. So guys, this is how you log into your Namely Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.